Alright, the Zippo truck drove by this morning, and let's see what he brought this time. Okay, now this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and the label on this one is Skull Mask, and it was made in Bradford, PA. So there's a first look at the Skull Mask. He's got blue eyes. This is on a white matte finish over the brass body, which was made in, looks like L of 14. Really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Now, skulls are one of my favorite Zippo collectible pastimes, and this is a really good one. That is the Skull Mask on a white matte finish. And yes, he deserves a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.